Are your crypto funds truly safe on an exchange? What happens if your Coinbase account is compromised or your assets are lost? It's the question that keeps every crypto holder up at night. The digital world offers incredible opportunity, but it also carries unique risks. While the mantra in crypto is often not your keys, not your coin, millions rely on trusted platforms like Coinbase for security and convenience. So, let's break down exactly how Coinbase approaches the issue of lost or stolen funds. The first, and most important distinction, is where the loss occurred. Coinbase employs a robust security structure, keeping the vast majority of customer crypto in cold storage, physical hardware disconnected from the internet. This drastically reduces the risk of a platform-wide hack. To cover remaining risks, Coinbase maintains a crime insurance policy for the digital currency it holds. If a large-scale breach of their storage systems were to occur, they endeavor to make customers whole. However, the policy doesn't cover losses due to the customer's own negligence, such as unauthorized access resulting from a breach or loss of your personal credentials. This means if you fall for a phishing scam, use a weak password, or your personal device is compromised, Coinbase insurance will not typically reimburse your stolen crypto. The responsibility for securing your login, two-factor authentication, and personal device ultimately rests with you. Now, let's talk about the cash, or fiat currency, you hold on Coinbase. For U.S. customers, any USD held in your Coinbase account is pooled and held in custodial accounts at FDIC-insured banks. This means your U.S. dollar cash balance is protected by pass-through FDIC insurance up to the standard maximum of $250,000 per customer against the failure of the custodial bank. This is a critical safety net that crypto itself does not offer. If you believe your account has been compromised, the immediate action is key. You must report an unauthorized transaction to Coinbase support immediately and consider locking your account to prevent further activity. Coinbase will then work with you and law enforcement during any investigation. In specific, rare cases, like social engineering attacks where Coinbase systems were implicated, they have voluntarily reimbursed impacted retail customers, but this is an exception, not a guarantee. Ultimately, while Coinbase provides state-of-the-art security, including cold storage, two-factor authentication tools, and fiat insurance, the best defense is your own vigilance. Strong passwords, hardware-based 2FA, and a healthy skepticism of any unsolicited communication are your first and best line of defense. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.